You've probably been practicing writing your name for a while now. Show Ozobot how it's done. You will need an Ozobot fully charged and calibrated, white paper, color code markers, and a pencil. In today's lesson, you will create tracks that spell your name. Use color codes to program Ozobot to get from the beginning to the end of your name and improve your project to create a final draft. Most of the time, you probably write your name pretty small. For Ozobot to follow the letters, we'll do it a little differently today. Using a pencil, write your name in very big letters on your paper. Be sure to have an eraser to fix mistakes and make adjustments. Next, plan the direction your bot will travel as it goes along your name. Choose a starting place and use arrows to show the direction Ozobot will go. Now that you know what direction Ozobot will be traveling, it is time to add some fun color codes to your name. Choose places to add speed, special moves, or line switch color codes. Be sure to include a win exit, play again at the end. You could also make the line Ozobot is following different colors. Just be sure that there is an inch of black line before and after each color code. Remember that the special moves codes need 2 to 3 inches of straight black line after the codes. That was a lot of planning. Well done. Time to complete the track. Using color code markers, fill in the color codes first. Then complete the rest of the lines in the colors you planned. Be careful to make the lines just the right width to help Ozobot follow them. Calibrate Ozobot and place it on your starting point. Observe how the bot travels along your name. If there are any trouble spots, update your map. Redraw your map if needed. Once you have made adjustments to the track and are satisfied, show others your work. Be sure you've completed all the steps for this activity. Did you write your name in pencil in big letters? Did you show the direction Ozobot would travel? Did you add color codes to your plan? Did you fill in the color codes in lines? Did you make adjustments so Ozobot could follow the pathway? Did Ozobot successfully follow your name pathway? Thanks for working hard today. Well done.